Hi everyone. I have seen many students confuse a news report with a news article, and that simple mistake cost you marks and lower your GPA. Don't let it happen this to you. In this video, I'll break down the exact difference between these two with simple example, easy steps, and right format, so you'll never get confused again. Before I dive into the difference between news report and news article, you are strongly suggested to memorize the format of these two. Let's see the difference between these two so that we'll have clear concept of what is news report and what is news article. News report basically talks about facts, whereas the news article is factual, but it has more details, elaboration, analysis, and many recommendations and suggestions as well. In report, what happened is important and necessary, where we include 5 W's and 1 S. 5 W's here means 5 W's questions. What, who, where, when, why, and how. But here in the news article, what and why matters the most. The in-depth details is important here in news article. The structure of news report is inverted pyramid, where the important necessary details come first and the least important details comes at the last. Whereas the structure of news article is more or less like that of essay, introduction and several body parts, and finally the conclusion. In news report, the event is focused like that of the health camp, some celebrations of job, accidents occurred, like that of the topics are highlighted in news report. Whereas in news article, instead of event, ideas are discussed and ideas are highlighted there. In terms of tense use, we use past tense in the narration and simple present tense in the headline. But in the news article, we use past for the background, present tense for the relevance, and future tense for the implications. These are the major difference between news report and news article. Let's talk about the difference between the structure or the format of news report and the news article as well, so that it becomes easier for you to follow the right format in exam. We give headlines in both the news report and news articles, and these headlines should be short, clear, and catchy, and if possible, just include 6 to 10 words, and then give the byline to both news report and news article. Regarding deadline, it is mandatory in news report, but it is optional in news article. Some of the time in news article, when and where does not matter, what happened and why matters. That's why the deadline and from where it has been reported or from where it has been written is not mandatory. That's why this portion deadline is optional in news article. After deadline, we write an introduction in news report. The introduction part should include 5 W's and 1 H or how. Introduction is the most important part of the news report, where all the important details and informations are compressed and given to the readers. On the other hand, in news article, the introduction part is not important, but the body is important. 5 W's and 1 S are not important in the introduction part. Here you can just introduce the topic with some hook and the relevant ideas. Regarding the body parts in news report, we provide details and it is short, objective, and we also include some quote from the witnesses and some other necessary important details. And on the other hand, in news article, we need to include multiple paragraphs according to the necessity and demand of the topic, where we include the experts review, we go in-depth analysis, we provide the references and suggestions, and if there are some problems we highlight it, and apart from highlighting the problem, we also suggest some recommendations and suggestions to the government, local bodies, and to the concerned authorities. Here, we can also express our own opinion, but in the news report, we cannot express our opinion. The tone of the news report should be neutral and formal, whereas the tone of the news article is informative, persuasive, and some of the time argumentative as well. The purpose of the news report is to inform you, to inform what happened. But the purpose of the news article is to aware you, to explain, and to persuade you to take some step. And the final part is conclusion. In news report, we include least important details in conclusion. Whereas in news article, we conclude with all the ideas from introduction to the bodies and summarize and give props to the readers. Let's have one example of news report and one example of news article. Here we are going to take one topic for both news report and news article, and the topic is road. The headline, road construction in Bhaktapur. Here you need to pay attention that the first letter of all the content words should be capital and the grammar words should be small. By Sajan Sahi, deadline, place followed by date. Bhaktapur, August 25. All new road construction project in Bhaktapur has begun. Here, what has happened? A new road construction project. Where? In Bhaktapur. The 3-kilometer road from Dudhpati to Kamal Binayak is built with a budget of rupees 12 crore and is expected to be completed within 6 months. Here, how much is answered with 3 crore and when is answered with 6 months. The local people are hopeful that the new blacktop road will save their time, will reduce the dust, and improve the transportation. We had problems of muddy road for several years, and this new road will finally solve the problem, said a local resident. This is the interview quote. After the completion of the road, it is expected that more domestic and international tourists will be attracted to Bhaktapur. All local businessmen expressed his hope that he would benefit from increased sales of his local products. Now the conclusion time. The municipality has requested the public for the cooperation during the work. Once completed, the project will benefit thousands of daily commuters in Bhaktapur. Time for the news article. Headline first. Rising road accidents, a growing concern in Nepal. Byline, Resus Resta. Here, I have not mentioned the date. It's not important here. In the first paragraph, we are going to include the hook or the main idea. Here, it is not mandatory for you to include all the 5 W's and 1 H. Road accidents have become a serious problem in Nepal in recent years. Every day, newspapers and television report the cases of buses, trucks, and motorcycles colliding on highways and city roads. The increasing number of accidents not only takes away precious lives but also causes injuries, financial loss, and emotional pain to families. Experts say that the main causes are overspeeding, reckless driving, drink and drive cases, poor road conditions, and lack of traffic awareness. In many areas, roads are narrow, poorly maintained, and overcrowded with vehicles. Similarly, weak traffic rules and lack of strict monitoring have made the situation worse. Here we have mentioned the main causes of road accidents. So we are highlighting the issue. You can solve more problems and the consequences after the issues. The government has started awareness campaign and introduced new traffic rules, but their implementation is still weak. Here we have mentioned the role played by the government. Now we are going to give some more recommendation. Strict punishment from traffic violators, regular maintenance of roads, and proper training for drivers are necessary steps to reduce accidents. These are some other recommendations by the author. You can give some more solutions. Since this is a sample answer, I have just included fewer ideas here. Let's go to the conclusion part. In conclusion, we summarize all the ideas that we have expressed in introduction and body parts. Now, safety is not only the responsibility of the government and the police. Pedestrians, passengers, and the drivers must always play their part as well. If we follow traffic rules and drive responsibly, we can save hundreds of lives every year. This is the conclusion, and here the role of individual and community has been also highlighted. I have already told you that this is a sample answer. That's why the model is short here. But in examination point of view, the body part should have multiple paragraphs with multiple ideas, analysis, and should be rich in many critical ideas. I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.